Isaiah, what are you doing? You making a puddle? Is that your puddle? Yeah, huh?
I'm coming.
Ooh! Oh, there went the shoe in the puddle. Do you like that?
He likes the mud bath.
Oh, yeah. Oh, very nice.
Oh, he likes the mud bath. He likes the mud bath.
He loves it. You doing a little dance, Papas?